Formulas are the very basis of the worksheet. It allows you to use Excel to do all your calculations. It ranges from the very simple addition formula to the most complex statistical variations. But they all have one thing in common. All formulas begin with an equal sign. The easiest and often a most used formula that you will create is the one that totals rows and columns of numbers. There are two ways to calculate the totals: using sum or auto sum. Now open Worksheet Formula 1, or you can just simply follow the example. First, look at the sum section. Here, we want to calculate the total sales across all products. The first way to do it is with the sum formula. First, we make cell O11 active by clicking the cell. Now move your mouse to the formula bar. Type an equal sign. Type sum. You can see that Excel has a list of suggestions for the formula. Click Tab. Now we see it automatically adds an open bracket. And then select the range that we want to sum up. We can either type in the cell address, which is O5, a colon, and then O10, then hit Enter. Or we can use a pointer method, which is directly pointing and dragging the cell array that we want to sum, and now we see the array has been entered into the formula. The second way is using auto sum. Selecting the cell again, click Delete to remove the value. This time we go to the Home tab, find the Editing section, and then click Auto Sum. Excel is smart to know that this is the array that you want to perform with the formula. Now click Enter, and we will get the answer again. Finally, we have a keyboard shortcut for auto sum. This time, when the cell is active, we click Alt and the equal sign on your keyboard. Now we see the formula showing up. Just hit Enter, and now we got it. Using the same methodology, we can also calculate the average sales of all the products. Let's do this exercise together. First, double-click on cell O28. And we will see a blinking line cursor showing up in the cell. This time, we are not using the formula bar. We can directly type in the formula inside the cell. Start with an equal sign. Then we type in AVER. The word average already shows up in the suggestion list. We can click Tab. And the formula is already in. Now select the range from O22 to O27 and click Enter. The same thing, we can use the auto average method. Click on the cell again. Delete the value. Go to the Home tab. And in the Editing section, we are going to click on the down array right next to the Auto Sum button. This time, we select Average. Then click Enter. And we get the same number again. In the exercise below, can you try to find the maximum value and minimum value across all products? Use the orange boxes with formulas max and min to find the answers. Visit our website to download the workbook and find out more analytics resources. Thank you for watching.